What is a capacitor and how does it work sometimes? Capacitor is an electronic component composed of an insulator sandwiched between two conductors. Its working principle is to store electrical energy by storing charge on the electrode. And it is usually used together with inductor S to form LC. Oscillation circuit. Capacitor is one of the electronic components widely used in electronic equipment. And it is widely used in straight separation, coupling, bypass, filtering, tuning circuit, energy conversion, etc. In general, capacitor is the most common material in SMT processing, and it is also an essential component on the circuit board. PCB. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Pay attention to me and take you to know more about PCBA knowledge.